Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by laying the comforter face down on a cleared flat surface. This prevents bunching and lets you see corners. Once the fill loosens after a quick 30-60 second shake, you can find the corner loops or zipper tabs. Do that now so you don't fumble mid-step. Make sure to orient the top side toward the bed's head. This small alignment saves time later and keeps patterns straight. Move with deliberate, even motions. Rushed folding creates lumps. You fold the comforter lengthwise so matching corners meet. This reduces width and makes insertion simple. Once folded, feed the long edge into the cover, anchoring corner loops or snapping buttons first so the bedding stays in place. After corners are secured, reach inside and gently tug the comforter edges toward each cover corner. This spreads the fill evenly and prevents pockets. If you feel resistance, stop and realign the fabric instead of forcing. You finish by closing the zipper or fastening buttons, then give the assembled comforter a firm shake to help the fill settle into place. Smooth the surface with broad hand strokes, patting each corner so the fill reaches edges. Rotate the comforter a quarter turn if a section resists. If a corner is stuck or bunched, don't rip. Open the cover a few inches, pull the trapped fabric back, then resecure. This simple reversal fixes most alignment problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.